Do you like what you see? Then watch this video until the end to learn the step-by-step process of connecting iPhone to Fire TV. I will tell you everything in detail. Hello, iObserver here. And I'll show you two solutions on how to connect iPhone to Fire TV to play games or watch different videos. These methods are very simple and do not require additional manipulations on TV or set-top box. By the way, I've noticed you haven't subscribed to this channel yet. Your subscription significantly contributes to the creation of more videos on topics you're interested in. So, take a moment to subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get back to the video. You can't simply connect your iPhone to Fire TV via Bluetooth. You'll need to install an app from the App Store. After considerable research, I found DoCast to be the best choice. It has flexible restrictions and delivers the highest quality, even in its free version. So, how to start a broadcast? It's simple. Download DoCast from the App Store. Give the app access to the network. Select your Fire TV from those available in the list. Close the offer. You can use it for free. Select screen from the main menu. Set the quality to maximum and start broadcasting. That's it. Your iPhone screen is now mirrored on your Fire TV. What does this mean? Right, you can play games. Minimal latencies and impressive quality are noteworthy. Plus, it's wireless. There's no need for additional cable connections. Just ensure you have a robust Wi-Fi connection and a high-speed router. But it wouldn't be me if I didn't offer an alternative for connecting iPhone to Amazon Fire TV. And the next contender is screen mirroring for Fire TV. It's worth noting that navigating through subscriptions can be a little difficult due to the developer's approach to creating a separate app for each TV brand. While this may not be very convenient, it still serves as a viable alternative. So download the application from the App Store, give access to the network, and follow other questions in the application. Next, watch the advertisement and close the offer. Once you select your Fire TV, you will be taken to the main menu where you can choose various functions. We are interested in mirroring iPhone screen to TV. Let's just start mirroring. Then, tap on Start Broadcast in the pop-up window. That's it. You'll see your screen on the TV. I want to emphasize noticeable delays that could impact the gaming experience. I'm uncertain about its suitability for playing games. This is where my short guide comes to an end. I believe DoCast is still the market leader among applications for connecting iPhone to Fire TV and can be considered the best. The quality is exceptional, and the limitations of the free version are minimal. I am very grateful to the developers for adopting such an approach. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your comments. I'd also appreciate if you could share this video with those still using cables to display iPhone onto the TV screen. Wishing everyone a nice day.